Welcome to Glowy Kids TV.
A for apple, A for ant, B for ball, B for bat, B. C for cat and C for cup, D for dog, D for darts, E for egg and E for elephant, E. F for frog, F for fish, F. G for goat and G for grass, G. H for hand, H for head, H. I for ink, I for insect, E. J for juice, J for jar, J. K for king and K for kite, L for lamb, L for leaf, L. M for man, M for monkey, M. N for neck, N for nose, N.
Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.
O for ocean, O for oar, O. P for plum, P for parrot, B. Q for queen and Q for quail, Q. R for rope, R for red, R. S for sun and S for sunflower, S. T for tap, T for tub, U for uncle, U for umbrella, V for violin, V for violet, V. W for well and W for water, V. X for box, X for fox, Y for yacht and Y for yellow, Z for zoo, Z for zebra, Z.
Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.